This next example, we're going to look at the power of a power, and we're going to integrate the product and the quotient rules. So in letter A, I have a power to a power, actually I have two powers to a power, and then I'm multiplying them. Okay, so for power to a power, remember that we need to take our outside power into everything inside. So my rule for this is that you apply your powers first. Okay, powers first, then apply everything else. So we'll have negative y to the 2 times 3, z to the 4 times 3, and then we have negative 3 cubed x to the 1 times 3, y to the 1 times 3. This simplifies down to negative y to the 6th, z to the 12th. That should be cubed. So negative 3 cubed is negative 27. This is times, by the way. Negative 27 x cubed y cubed. Okay, so now I go and put my stuff together that can go together. Negative 27 times negative 1 is 27. Y, the 6 plus 3 is 9, so those are done. And then z12 x3. Now, correct form would be writing my powers in descending order. So let's rewrite it. 27 x cubed y 9 z to the 12th. All right. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Apply your powers, then apply your product rules, then simplify it out. Let's look at the next example. I've got a quotient inside of a power. That's 4y to the 5th. Divided by 3x cubed y7, and then all of that is squared. So we take this 2 and we square the 4, we square the 5, we square the 3, x cubed is squared, and y7th is squared. Alright, so let's see what all that looks like. So I'm going to have 4 squared y to the 5 times 2 over 3 squared x cubed times 2 y to the 7 times 2. Alright, 4 squared, 16. 5 times 2 is 10, so y to the 10. Let's look at the bottom. 3 squared is 9. X cubed times 2 is x to the 6th. Y to the 7 times 2 is y to the 14. Now I want to apply my quotient rule. The only thing I can apply my quotient rule to is y to the 10 minus 14. So first I need to figure out what y to the 10 minus 14 is. And that is y to the negative 4. So if I have 16 y to the negative 4 over 9x6, the y to the negative 4 needs to be simplified. So it needs to be 16 over 9 x to the 6th, y to the 14. Alright, good luck. Just remember to apply your power first, then apply your product or your quotient.